Steven, what are you talking to us through?
It's okay if he doesn't talk, because it's like kind of like
Steven?
instruction manual.
Dude, it's like pointing a gun at someone when they
Aiden, don't
boys.
Okay, yeah, you can grab a manual.
Can you invite me?
It says, okay, this is taking forever. Okay,
Not yet.
I want to be a guard.
Not yet, Aiden.
I want to be a prisoner. I want to be a hobo.
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna make a parkour course, Nick.
Don't make a shank.
Well, that has to be the worst parkour course I've ever seen in my entire lifetime. You just
make a parkour course. Use honey blocks, Aiden.
Well, I don't have honey blocks.
Keep trying, you buffoon.
Alright, where's Keenan?
We got it for the boys. Right here, right now.
Dude, Dream's about to get
I'm about to slap your cheeks.
Technoblade
getting
fight
beat up
me.
by Skirty Nick.
Hey, you dropped the soap, you dropped the soap,
Stop.
you dropped the soap.
Oh, you giant!
Leo,
Oh my
Leo,
god!
stop.
You could just
Alright, I'm Judy.
Alright, we're not doing it yet. Crap, stop destroying the map.
I wanna be Judge.
Boys,
I'm Judge Judy. I'm Judge Judy. I'm Judge Judy.
we just started. It's failure. Okay,
No. Silence in the course. Silence in the course. I'd like to pronounce.
I want to.
Last
Aiden, put on armor.
I look fancy in it. Do I look good?
Leo!
Screw you.
Take my steak.
Ow.
Okay.
Leo!
Whoa,
The god is here.
Stick.
The god is here.
I just want to see the god.
The god is here.
Sharpness 3.
Leo, what do you mean sharpness?
It keeps on saying I can't connect.
Oh. Him is gonna be my guy who does the ASMR in my podcast.
Oh my god, there's demons. There's demons in this map. Wyatt, there's demons.
Nick, me and Nick are the guards.
Video yet. I know, I need to make my intro.
I'm the guard. Mr. 501. Mr. 501. Sit down.
Hi, Nick. That's going in my video.
Controller D-pad right. You dare go over there.
No, stop.
I'm a guard.
Stop with the armor on you.
You're a god. You just said 5 seconds ago you're a prisoner.
Oh my god.
Okay, come on. Let's go, Aiden.
No, get out. Get out.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Stop hitting each other.
That wasn't Aiden.
I pronounce y'all to
Okay. Aiden, come over here. Aiden, stop. Aiden, stop.
Ooh, what's in here?
Okay.
Aiden.
Stop.
Oh god. Watch out.
All day just trying to
Watch
crush
out.
a level.
Watch out, there's a zombie in there.
That's staying in my video.
Okay.
Alright, boys. No,
Hold up. Hold up. I'm gonna ask my friend if he wants to be in the intro.
Oh my god.
Pissed off.
Yo, I wanna be in the intro with Wyatt. Why?
I'll think about it.
Let's film the intro. Aiden, come over on this bench.
Where? Oh, on
Come
the
over on
bench.
this bench. Alright. Aiden, it's about time. Dude, I don't know how we got caught. We were caught stealing candy bars, and now we're in prison. Only for stealing
I
candy
didn't
bars.
steal a candy bar.
Oh.
I stole a kid.
Oh, and that kid's name is Candy. Last name Bar. Order in court. Aiden, it's our time. Stop screwing with the bench.
I have the Lollipop's birth certificate.
All right, Aiden, it's our time.
Mr. Kraken,
Aiden.
Mr. Oh my God.
Hello.
Hello.
Mr. Wither,
Are you done?
Mr. 501 and my
Silence in court.
I need
order
a
in the
manual.
court.
Stop.
Order
I
in
just
the
wanted a
court.
manual.
All right.
Manual.
Well, okay. Are we going to jail or say
I've done
say
some
what you gotta say?
studying. I
Nick,
have done
stop
some
screaming in the
studying. I
background.
have done some studying, and I'd like to pronounce you.
A married couple.
Inmate, you have been found guilty.
You're annoying.
We're
You're
guilty.
An annoying person.
Yeah. Oh. You just
I'm
got
being
right in
a-
the face.
Now you must go to life in prison.
All right, fine. Leave us to ourselves. I'm gonna put on these nice prison
Move,
suits. How do I look, boys?
Leo, take
Hey,
me to
Twister.
myself.
Let's take us to. Jesus, you're not even escorting us. You're hitting us to go faster.
If you look around, you can find
Child
yourself
abuse.
in the courtroom of the
Child
prison.
abuse. I'm sorry. I'm going back. I'm sorry. I'm going back. Okay.
Okay. Show us to our room, Mr. Skirty.
Oh.
Oh my
Oh
God.
my God!
Oh my God.
Wait a minute, sir, and aside. All right, it doesn't matter about them later. Escort me to my room.
I'm sorry. I'm
Are
going.
you-
I'm
are
gonna
you
die,
done?
Leo. I have
Yeah.
2 hearts.
Are you done?
Okay,
All right.
now follow me. It's
All
down
right.
here.
Mr. Nick.
It's down
Well,
here.
there's
Where is
there's
it?
cells up here if you want to give us a upstairs
Yeah.
cell.
No,
I wanna
let's
sell
screw it.
upstairs.
Yeah, we're the
Dude,
cool kids. We
Do
want
we have
upstairs
a
cells.
salon here?
Oh no, I don't want
Aiden.
you guys to be known as the cool kids. You get downstairs,
No.
go down.
Yeah, you
Dang
can
it!
downstairs,
Ah!
you losers.
Follow me.
Okay.
To ourselves already. Ah! Aiden, no!
Did Aiden deceased?
My only friend in prison just died right in front of me.
Hi guys. What up?
Hey, what's up, Aiden? All right, Leo,
Wait,
just
hold up.
escort
Let
us
me-
to our damn cells already.
Alright.
Let
Hold
me
up,
go
I'm
get a
reading the
jumpsuit.
book.
Ah! Who gave that guy a gun?
Jerry, piss off. It's not your shift.
That was Jerry. Oh crap.
Yeah.
We should probably move away from them. Someone gave a prisoner a gun.
And
And the other one's
guys,
jumping.
I just have to take a quick pee.
No. Alright.
Alright.
Oh,
Prisoner 101 and
Hey,
1069.
wait.
I'm 10. Can I be prisoner
Mister,
1069?
May I ask you a question? See, I asked for a
Ooh.
5-star suite, not a 1-star
Ah.
motel.
Ah, I'm in.
Okay, I'll go in.
Stop complaining.
Jesus, I'll go
officers,
in.
Officers, there's some prisoners that escaped.
Ah, dang it. Another prison riot.
That's police
It's okay.
brutality. All right. Well, boys, I guess this is my cell. Aiden, how did you get in here? Oh. Hey. Just tell us when it's time for prison lunch or prison shower. Or
It's
whatever
time
it
for
is.
prison lunch.
No, you
Oh,
gotta give
cool.
us some time. You gotta give us some time.
Prison
hi.
inspection.
Prison inspection already.
Hey,
All right, do
you're
it.
breaking
Here,
out the
I'll
door.
open it for you. I was just trying to
Just
open.
hit him in the face for no
I was
reason.
just trying to open it for you.
Get me
Um,
all of your inventory
Here,
right
Leo,
now.
you need me to open this door for you?
Oh my
Okay.
God. No, wait,
Okay,
Nick.
you're-
I'll
oh.
open
No.
it for you.
Dude,
I've got
That's not
you.
what it
I've
looks
got
like.
you, bro. What is he
Oh,
doing?
oh,
You should be worried about him.
oh, y'all are just hitting each other without like any reason.
Hey, can I borrow your stick?
No!
Just a second.
Give it on.
Oh wait,
Hey, I can
Leo,
here. I'll
No, it's not what
I'll
it
give you the
seems.
good
This is-
stuff. I'll give you.
No.
Yeah, he's looking for
guys, we're
He's offering to give
guys.
you Pokemon bathwater. Aiden,
guys,
get
we're
up
kind
there,
of
you
stuck.
filthy boy. Get up there, you filthy boy.
You dirty.
We're going to bed.
Hey, ow!
Stop hitting
Go
him.
to bed.
Oh my God. Just
Okay,
just tell us when it's time to do something.
Go
Get
to
out
bed.
of our room.
Prison time.
Who
It's
just ran in front
lunchtime.
of me?
Get off of us. You're just hitting people without any explanation why. You locked yourselves in. Really? Y'all locked yourselves. Ow! Y'all locked yourselves in. Hey, get up.
No.
Stop hitting people.
You guys get a new room.
Oh,
Guys,
I'm
get a
sorry.
new room.
I'm sorry.
You guys get a new room.
Oh.
Dang!
Guys,
Good
good news.
room.
Good news. You guys get a new room. Good news.
We do?
Why are you
Oh,
locked in front of me?
Damn it! It's because of Nick. He keeps hitting people.
Yeah, you. Leo, now they're Leo.
Okay,
Nick,
wait. I just noticed
you
something. We
keep
died.
Killing.
Aiden, where are you going, bud?
Just kill me. Kill me. Thank
Over
you.
here.
This is
All
the
right.
room I ordered.
This is the room you
Guys, I
ordered.
killed.
Aiden, this
I
looks like
killed
some type of
myself, so
therapist
now
room.
Nick is stuck in there.
Okay. There's like two conversations going on at once.
Okay.
So Aiden, tell me what's going on in your nice suite that you have ordered. Oh, I'm stuck.
Oh, you just
Yeah.
summoned a
You just broke it. Oh God. Okay. Hey. We'll go to a cell. Just show us where our
Go to
secret cell
yourselves.
is.
Go to yourself. Go to
Hey, where is
yourself.
our cell?
I got a
Y'all
gun.
broke 90% of our last cell trying to kill us.
As we are a very high tech. Mr.
Very
501.
It's a casual day. It's a casual day. It is.
Focus
It
on
is
me.
a casual.
Don't
day.
focus on Aiden. Focus on me. All right. So Lear.
Mr. 501.
Oh!
Get in yourself.
That's not
I'm
Mr.
sorry.
501.
I will. Oh, you want to go, huh? You want to go?
All right,
Okay.
Mr. Explosion.
Can you
Look,
What is this place?
Pokemon battle.
Oh.
Look, Pokemon battle.
Can you open the door?
I choose you.
Hey, thank you, officer. Thank you for
Banner,
being so
I
nice
choose
to me.
you. Run.
I
choose
don't.
you.
Here, I'll get you a cookie.
Nick, come on.
You're gonna give me a cookie?
Nick,
Yeah, let me
can
go
you
get you a
lock me in
cookie.
here.
Look,
Oh,
what is
okay.
this?
I guess he's heading off.
Solitary.
He's heading off to the
I don't
lunch
wanna
This
room.
is
go
a
and sit alone.
Give me a
5
cookie.
hotel room. It's
Okay,
only for
you want to
cool
go in with
kids.
me?
Yeah, sure.
I know it is. Yeah, sure. Let's go.
Oh.
Look, there's a double bed. It's so cool.
Mmm. Break all this. There we go.
Here, Nick, I have a bed for you. Here, I'll open it. I'll open the door. Here, I've got you. Ow. I don't want... You know why it's just out and around. Hold up, can I? Thank you.
Wyatt, are you still in your room?
Yeah, I'm still in my room. I'm just chilling. I'm reading.
Tell the truth,
reading.
Mr. Explosion.
I'm not doing anything, dude. Just chilling.
Guys,
Just chilling. Just
this,
chilling.
Prison
this road is...
prison
I'm just
inspection.
chilling. Yeah, go ahead. Do your prison inspection.
Hold up, I have to go grab something, Mr. 501.
Just go take another button so you don't get stuck here again. Also,
Yeah,
when
let
is
me go grab another.
When is the prison lunch times? I'm getting hungry and it's taking forever.
Well,
Ready
I've actually ran out of hunger, so.
You want to go eat lunch? We
I
should
can't
go eat
Get in
lunch.
your
I don't know.
inmate
No
new
one is
cell.
letting me out of
Okay.
my cell, so I'm just stuck here while y'all guys are doing a bunch of crap.
Okay.
Get in your cell
Mr.
and don't break
Explosion, it's
anything.
okay. Mr. Explosion, it's okay.
Look, you see this? It's like, it's clay. So if,
No.
I wanted to show you a magic trick. So mean. So mean.
Alright,
Aiden, look at me.
Mr. Explosion,
Aiden, look at me.
I hate,
I
what?
almost broke it. That was just straight in front of me. The thing he's doing is going, oh.
That was
Alright.
easy.
So Nick, okay, so Nick, Leo is inspecting my cell. While he's doing that, where's the cafeteria? I want to go get
Follow
some
me,
grub.
you disgusting inmate.
That actually was pretty low key. You didn't even insult me. Alright, so show me where the cafeteria is.
Mr. 501.
That's solitary. I don't want to be.
Mr. Explosion.
Yeah, what's up?
Here, lunch.
Oh, hey. Thank you. Hey, but there's a cafeteria upstairs. There's a cafeteria.
Okay.
Can I go to the cafeteria? Can I go to the cafeteria to eat this good beef?
I'm
yeah.
on my way.
Aiden.
Just so to take it through the art and just
Aiden.
go run it all with art. And I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
Alright, so show me the way to the cafeteria.
I'm
Aiden's on his way.
way.
I'm also on my way to
I'm
the
on my
cafeteria.
way.
Alright, just show me.
I'm on
Wyatt,
my
you're-
Oh,
way.
Aiden.